Bien, pues con un gráfico con todos los elementos representados, yo puedo seleccionar.
Okay, so, with a chart with all its elements represented, I can select a specific item by clicking on it, for example, on the title, and in this case, I have a format flap that gives me a set of options to control the style of this shape.
Pues, del estilo que puede tener esta forma, podemos darle, por ejemplo, lo que es el recuadro de un color o de otro, o podemos.
We can give it, for example, the frame, a color, or we can say that the fill, let's give it a light fill so that it stands out, looks more or less okay. Or even the typeface itself, we can use letters of maybe a more artistic style, and here we see that we have a number of possibilities. For example, we are going to put this one, income and consumption, that we see that it has, well, it has a certain elegance. We can also apply shading effects, reflections, etc. Okay. We see that as we hover over each of these choices, we see that the details of the chart itself change, meaning that I can select the one I like the most. Well, it could be that we like it less and less. But if this is the case, it is always easy to return to the default settings or simply undo the last action. Well, we also have a number of elements, also for alignment, to know the position in which each of the elements will appear. Each element will behave in a particular way. Or the typeface, color, etc. A whole set of elements that we can control, both in the title and the chart itself. Or the element that we have selected. Well, a whole world of possibilities that we can explore with our graphical representation.